Saling concern. This is for our quiz 2. Therefore, the first question is make comparison on the following active and passive element. So this is our comparison check basic for natural and source activity component. The answer is active component deliver power or energy to the circuit. For passive element utilize power or energy in the circuit. For the example, diode, transistor, SCR, integrated circuit. For passive example, resistor, capacitor, inductor. For the function is for active device which produce energy in the form of voltage or current. For passive device which store energy in the form of voltage or current. For the power gain, for active component, they are capable for provide power gain. For passive, they are incapable for providing power gain. For the flow of current, active component can control the flow of current, passive cannot control. Requirement of internal source, they require internal source of the operation. For passive, they do not require any internal source. For natural energy, active component are energy donor, passive component are energy acceptor. So, active component are those who deliver or produce energy or power in the form of a voltage or current. Passive component are those who utilize or store energy in form of voltage or current. For the example of the active component are diode, transistor, SCR, integrated circuit, and so on. Similar example for the passive component are resistor, capacitor, and inductor. Active component are capable for providing a power gain, while the passive component are not capable for power gain. This is our summary for this question, sir. So for the B, parallel and series circuit, resistor as loaded. This is our diagram. This is also for our series diagram. For the C, dependent and independent source. Dependent voltage source its voltage does not depend on either the value of the current flowing through the source or in direction, but is determined solely by the value of the source. Along for the example, an automobile battery have a 12 terminal voltage that remain constant as long as current through it does not become high. Deliver power to in the car in direction as absorb power in other direction in access charge. Depend voltage source or controller voltage source provide a voltage supply. Both material depend on either the voltage cost or current flowing through source or the current other circuit element. A dependent voltage source is indicated with a diamond shape and used as equivalent electric source for many electronic devices and such transistor operational amplifier. For the D, Ohm law and current divider law. Ohm law in the law to find the ratio between voltage flow and current flow in a system. Current divider rule in formula which used to show how close a parallel circuit with the CDR formula are in the total of voltage current distributed in series parallel circuit. Kirchhoff current law and Kirchhoff voltage law. For the E question, Kirchhoff current law first law state that current flowing in the node of a junction must be equal to current flowing out of it, which is conclusive of charge conservation. Kirchhoff voltage law second law state that sum of all voltage around any closed loop in the circuit must be equal 0. For the second equation is inductor. The definition of inductor is the inductor is passive component which store the electric energy in a magnetic field with the electric current pass through it, or we can say the inductor is an electrical device which possesses in the induct states. For the B, what are the method to increase its inductor value? For the first method, we using magnetic core material with higher relative permeability. For the second method, increase the cross section area of the magnetic core through ending magnetic core thickness. And for third method is increase cotton, which means decrease the coil within the pitch between the ejected coil for a certain value of surface area. For the C, what are the application inductor for inductor? First is turning circuit. Second, sensor. C, store energy in the device. Inductor, motor, transformer, filter, cochlear, filter bed, inductor, rear AC. Capacitance. For the number 3 question, the definition of capacitance is a component with a variety of capacity to store energy in the form of an electric transformation of potential different static voltage coil in the plate must lack a small rechargeable battery. What are the methods to increase its capacitor value? First method is increase the plate area. Capacitor will increase with increased plate area. Second method is decrease the spacing between the plate. Capacitor gap the plate spacing get closer. For the third method, an insulating material between the plate with a largest electric constant vacuum and a pretty much line here. Vacuum have a electric constant for 1000 only spare fraction of percent higher than the other metal, paper, fiberglass, Teflon, and many others. Can be used to with electric constant greater than 1.0. This increase the resulting capacitor. For the CS, what are application of capacitor? First application is energy store. A capacitor can store energy electric when it connected to its changing circuit, and when it is disconnected or from this circuit, it can instead that store energy, so it can be used like temporary battery. Capacitor are commonly used in electric device to maintain power supply while battery are being charged. Second method is pure power and weapon. For group of larger rectangular inductor, high voltage capacitance are used to supply hospital currents of many pulse power applications. This include emulator farming, match generators, translators, laser, preforming network, film selectors, and particular oscillator. Power conditioning resolver capacitor are used in power supply where they are smooth with output of full of half wave rectifier. They also are used to charge pump circuit as the energy store element in the generation of higher voltage than input voltage. Capacitor are infusion of signal or control circuit. The capacitor at a local reserve of the DC power source and bypass AC current of the power supply. The last application is power factor correction. Capacitor correction are source capacitor of as 3 capacitor connected as electric press. Electric load, usually the value of capacitor are given not farad, but there is a reactive power in volt ampere reactive. The purpose in the counter include loading from monthly resistive individual motor or lamp load may capacity of power correction larger capacitor auxiliary with automatic switch device with be installed be a load center with a building of a largest unlimited electrical substation in higher direct current transmission system. Power factor correction capacity may have turning inductor to suppress harmonic current that will otherwise be injected with the AC power system. Okay, for the question number 4, The solution, this is our diagram. So the first question is I equal to I equal to is equal to 12 over 1 plus 5, so we can get 2a. For the BC is 5i. So the I value is 2, so I just assume it to this question, so we can get 10 voltage for the answer. For the BX question is need to find YC, so YC equal to 1 over 2 CV squared E equal to 1 over 2 1 10 squared equal to 50 joule. So the YC is 1 over 2 Li to L equal to 1 over 2 to square. For the answer is 4 joule. Okay, for the last question is question number 5. So this is our diagram. So the answer for this question is, for DC, this is DC. So I equal to 3 over 3 plus 2 plus 4 bracket M equal to 2. So V1 equal to 2000 I equal to 4V. V2 equal to 14 I equal to 4V, 8V. So the energy stored is W1 equal to 1 over 2 C 1V1. So we masukkan dia punya nilai 1 over 2 bracket 2 multiply 10 minus 3 4 square, so we got 16 mJ. For the second W, we check that W2 equal to 1 over 2 C2 V2 equal to 1 over 2 4 multiplied by 10 minus 3 8 squared, we got 128 mJ. So that's all for our quiz 2, sir. Thank you.